I'm studying the relationship between the frequency of family meals, childhood and maternal obesity, and maternal acculturation.
This summer I'm studying visual cognition with Professor Hoffman at the Department of Psychology.
My research focuses on kids with spastic cerebral palsy, and we're looking at the effects of the Botox treatment in their bone density and their muscles.
We're trying to enantioselectively add a terminal alkyne to a certain type of molecule.
Undergraduate research as a whole is very important because it gives you a good foundation of what you like, what you don't like. A lot of times you'll go through your major and read a textbook and not understand what it really means to be part of the scientific world. And so when you start getting your hands dirty in the lab, you get a real taste for what it's like.
Research is for people who are curious, they're interested in answering questions that they have. Research is for students who are driven and have a passion for learning.
I think it's very important for anyone that's going to get involved in the medical field to learn at least a little knowledge about how research influence our life every day.
I'd say the best part of doing research is, again, learning to think on my feet, sort of solving problems as they come up, learning to think about these problems in a different way, searching for different solutions.
And I really get to apply everything that I learned in the prior semesters to really do something that I'm genuinely curious about.
The most exciting things about research for me is seeing things work. Because what a lot of people don't realize is that most of research, there's a lot of failure involved with research. A lot of experiments get designed that don't necessarily work out.
It's been really rewarding to really work at the frontier of the molecular life sciences and to have the opportunity to present my research at regional and national conferences.
Especially through the Summer Scholars Program, I'm able to interact with people of all different labs, and we're able to bounce ideas back and forth. And I've seen a lot of them present their information. I'm looking forward to the symposium where I'll see all the different work that has been done just here at the University of Delaware.
There's definitely a lot offered outside of just working in the lab, and you definitely have the opportunity to make a lot of friends.
Well, I think that you can make it like as personal as you want to, because they do come up with things, different, I guess, like lectures or even like an ice cream social where summer scholars students can gather and speak with each other. So you can definitely make the relationships if that's what you're looking for.
I have very supportive advisors here at University of Delaware that encourage me to ask my own questions and guide me into doing my own research.
I definitely find this to be an invaluable opportunity because you really do get like engaged hands-on form of learning where you're not going to get if you're not in the lab directly doing the research.
I get to come in and work with chemicals and work with proteins, and I feel like I'm also learning things that will help me as I move forward into the year. If
you're willing to really put your passion forward and really to go the extra mile, stay up late, wake up early, they recognize that and they really foster that, and I'm incredibly grateful for that because I wouldn't be in the position that I am today had I not had that amazing support.